So welcome one and all to a picturesque evening here. A clear night, all the ingredients for a showcase game that the passionate crowd demands. I'm Peter Drury, and seated in the experts' hot seat is our man Jim Beglin.
Hi Peter, always good to work with you. I'm really looking forward to this now.
Just listen to that noise. This place is definitely up for it. Let's hope we... And Batistuta! Oh, that was nice, but not quite the end product required.
That's good running. It makes life so much easier when you have people who are willing to go beyond the defence like that.
Who do you, Jim, see making a difference here?
This fella, Oyarzabal, is one player that's been catching my eye. His best position is on the left wing, although it's almost the antithesis of the modern winger. For example, he doesn't really have pace, doesn't play on the opposite wing, and yet he manages to be so prolific.
I think the opposition defence agree too. He's going to be the source of so many of their headaches. Jordan Henderson. And it's Gerrard. Messi. That's a great chance! Goal! Lyon! And Lyon are in front. The movement so precise, the finish sumptuous.
Yeah, when you're hit on the counter-attack like that, it's like walking into a sucker punch, and they're dazed.
You felt it was coming, 1-0.
Well, that gives them the privilege to control the tempo of the game. It's up to them to manage it from here now.
He's found a way through. And the two sides separated by the game's only breakthrough moment to this point. And the score is 1-0. Skillfully cut out, he is so at ease on the ball. Now it's Ferran Torres. Raul, someone who can always claim to be the most immaculate finisher. Cucurella. Gavi. He's picked his way through. Oyarzabal receives it in a good position here. Well, that's a booking, always looked it. Pedri. Good ball, good take. Now it's Fabian Ruiz. Carvajal deals with that comfortably. Gerrard, very much a man of this moment. That's good vision. Pau Kubasi cuts it out. Cucurella. Some intricate passing, looking to progress the ball. I have to say, that was an exemplary tackle. Stopped him dead in his tracks. He's in a great position here. And we have our very first corner. Impressive jump, and that's a sharp finish. And that is what they came to see, what they demanded to see. His first. Great corner, and he did the rest.
He did so well there, attacking the ball the way he did. He got a strong forehead behind that one.
Things starting to look very comfortable.
There's a certain authoritativeness in everything they do now. If they want to kill off this game, now's the time to get it done.
Oh, good read.
He read that really well and stopped it.
Tries to pass it through. Cross flung in towards the middle. Messi.
2 added minutes has been
looking for
indicated.
options for movement. And this is Batistuta. Oh, the ball's run loose here. Threads one in. Now this decent chance! Relentless! Just relentless! Again, in a trice, and they are soaring! So smooth, a signature finish.
Well, it always comes down to the telling final pass, and that was a beauty.
And that is indeed the final act. Well, who would have thought it? A huge chasm between the two teams already, and it might grow even wider in this second half.
Lyon absolutely dominated that half, Peter, and now it's all about game management. There's no need to overstretch themselves. Just stay calm and see this one out.
Lyon will be wanting more of the same in the second half then. Utterly dominant in the first period, and they're 3-0 up. And if you have just joined us, well, we've just begun the second period here. Llorente receives it in a wide position. Well, now here's a good battle, bicep to bicep. Now it's Llorente. Caught offside that time. Oh, good-looking ball. Now it's Batistuta. And this is Gerrard. And he is Gerrard! Steven Gerrard, the man for every moment. He's got himself an absolute peach. They are gorging themselves here on a seriously gorgeous scoreline.
Number 8.
Well, no goalkeeper would keep that out. It really was a bullet.
Well, that was hit with genuine ferocity. You just don't stop those, Peter.
This is a gloriously greedy performance.
That's just playing it safe and simple.
Oyarzabal, and he was alert to it. Raul, and it's Gerrard. Now it's Batistuta. Llorente makes the interception. Corner.
Substitution for Spain. Number 9.
So will they make it count again?
Coming on to replace him is number 17, Nico Williams. Substitution in progress.
And now they can spring out of defence. Llorente. Fabian Ruiz. Now it's Pedri. Now it's Llorente. And this is Messi. Now then, the ball's come loose. Shot a goal! And a neat finish. And the chasm continues to widen. A brutal statement that underpins where these teams are at.
Well, I think we've reached the point when even damage limitations is no longer an option.
Number 20.
And when the manager called on him, he was only too happy to repay that fate.
Number 7.
That's just as the manager would have seen it, an impact sub.
Number 21, Mikel
Lyon
Oyarzabal.
are having a ball
Coming on the
here.
field,
Now it's
number
Yamal.
19,
He's shifting through the gears here.
number
And the shot!
26.
Oh, it's hit the post. No, that's just wide.
Pedri really reacted very quickly there, but couldn't quite find the finish he needed.
Doué. Now it's Doué. He's got away. Well, now it's a race for the ball.
They'll want to make the most of this turnover.
Now it's Yamal. Fabian Ruiz. Oh, that's a key interception. Well seen, saw that coming. Fabian Ruiz. Just 5 minutes left. Now it's Pedri. He's looking wide. Now it's Williams. And here's the chance to counter.
Has been indicated.
Done delicately. He can run onto that, and he's definitely onside. Oh. Can he finish? And he couldn't quite make it 6. Pedri. Now it's Yamal. Pass somewhat off target. That's been drilled forward. The referee looks at his watch and blows his whistle. Lyon looking by any yardstick formidable, truly enjoyable to watch and clearly so together. That was a terrific day for them.
And a quick announcement for the benefit
How do
of
you look
anybody
back on
who
the
is
game
down-
then, Jim?